boys and girls. Welcome to the Rise of Railroad and the Edison locomotive. For your safety, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Parents with small children, make certain your children keep their hands, arms, feet, legs, and especially their heads inside the train at all times. Also, please avoid eating, smoking, or drinking anything except water on the train. At this time, please put any and all food away. We are now in the Railroad Junction district of Greenfield Village, going past the historic Smiths Creek train station, where the young Thomas Edison sold newspapers during the American Civil War. You can go inside Smith Creek. They'll tell you all about what else happened to young Thomas Edison here. The large brick building coming up on the left is the old Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse. Originally built in Marshall, Michigan in 1884, parts of which were brought here to Greenfield Village and rebuilt in the year 2000. The Roundhouse is where we take our steam locomotives and our rolling stock for inspection, service, maintenance, and repair. It is only one of about a half a dozen roundhouses left in the United States, actually servicing the steam locomotives of an operating railroad. The roundhouse is open to visitors. You can go inside. They'll tell you all about what makes locomotives work. We're now in back of Liberty Craft Works, the arts and crafts section of the village. You can go over there, go inside, watch our master craft work. Such things as glass blowing, pottery, tinsmithing, printing, wool carding, weaving, and a little bit of a couple of old sawmills over there and a grist mill for you to look at. We have made a complete circle of Greenfield Village and we're back in the working farm district. Coming up on the right is the Firestone Farmhouse from Columbiana County, Ohio from the late 1880s. Firestone Farm was the home and birthplace of Harvey Firestone, who was a good friend of Henry Ford and founded the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company in 1900. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now back at the Firestone train station at the main gate. Just a reminder here, please stay seated until the train completely stops. I'll tell you when the air brakes are set and it's safe to get up. At this station, those of you leaving us may exit on the right-hand side. Right-hand side only, please. That's where the train platform is at. Exit only on the right.